Good evening, everyone. My name is Dimple Yadav. I'm working as a sports teacher in Acme International School, Sona. So, as you all know, that I'm taking the evening classes every day, 6:30. You can see I just finished my physical education class, where my students and their mother used to take a class, online classes from me. We used to do exercises. We used to stretching exercises before warm-up exercises, and through that, as we all India are fighting against the COVID-19, and we all are doing also fighting with COVID-19 through by do exercises, and it's a little bit. I'm doing little job against the COVID-19 to fight with the COVID-19 and with my all students and their mothers. So I request to all mothers and students to please join. It's a really great time. It's a good time to take initiative towards the sports, so that we can make fit ourselves. Some mothers who put on the weights, they can join my class. They can lose their weight. They can boost their immunity system. If your immunity system is good, you can fight with the COVID-19 easily. But for that, you have to join every day. And after class, I used to make a videos for those students who attend my class, who were doing many exercises with me, but not able to remember that exercises. So that I used to make a video for them, or for them also that who are not able to attend my class, so that my students and their mothers can follow my instruction by watch my video, by watch my exercises. So I just complete my video. It's a request to you all and your mothers. Please do join my classes. I wanted to tell you some instruction, some rules of the exercise. So exercise should be start from the top to toe or toe to top. If you have injury or fracture on your body parts, any hand or leg, then don't stretch more your muscles, because it can be injured you. Okay, then let's start our exercise from the top. Start from the exercise number 1. Do open your eyes while you doing rotate your neck. First we will rotate our half rotate our neck. 1, 2. You have to do 10 times. I'm just telling you for once. And then back side half rotate. Now we will rotate on full rotate over, then anti rotate. Okay, it's our first exercise. So exercise number 3 is we will do same. Put our hand on your shoulder and up and downs. When you stretch your elbow on up, you have to be on your toes. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The exercises is when your hand on your chest, and this 1, 2, 3, 4. It's your tricep exercises. Your tricep muscles will stretch here. 10 times you have to do this. Okay, now we will do our palm or fingers exercise. We have to stretch our hand, and with the help of second hand we have to stretch our fingers like this. Okay, this palm stretching exercise. Your wrist will be stretched. Change your hand. Now change. You let down your hand and just push. Second hand. Done. Round circle. Make a circle slowly. Straight your hand and make a circle slowly. Backward, then forward 10 times. Okay. Then rotate your hand on full circle 10 times. Then forward 10 times. Then stretch your arms up and down 10 times. Then side, change your side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change your exercise. Full stretch. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. Tricep or elbow exercises. We will just keep your elbow in front of your nose, then push from the other hand. Push your hand, push your elbow. Same with second hand. Same exercise we will do in a 10 times each hand. Now change the exercise. Now what we will do, we just put our hand over the body, okay, and then from the second hand we will push our elbow, same, push our elbow down. Change exercise with another hand. Arm or shoulder exercises. Now we will start from our waist exercises. So let's start from the waist. Okay, done. Waist. Firstly, we will rotate half waist from left to right, right to left. Okay, let's see how. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now same with back, half back exercises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. Now we will do full rotate exercises. Okay, then start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anti-rotate exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले, हाय कुछ करिए, कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले, अब कुछ करिए। ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए, हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए। चक दे
rest of the exercise we'll do in another video. So just relax exercises. Just put your feet relaxed and shake your body. Shake your body well. So dear students and mothers, I make my video so that you can watch my video and follow the exercises minimum 10 times each side or 1 minute. Okay, watch my video, or those who are unable to attend my class, they can attend in the next time, same time, same day. They can join with me and their mothers can join with me. Bye, see you.